Do you have any pets?
No, I don't have any pets at the moment.
Do you have a favorite book?
Yes, my favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird.
Do you have a preferred type of music?
I enjoy a variety, but I really like indie rock.
Do you have a favorite movie genre?
I'm a fan of comedies. They always lighten the mood.
Do you have any hidden talents?
Well, I can juggle. It's a random skill I picked up.
Do you have a preferred mode of transportation?
I usually prefer taking the train. It's convenient.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one older brother.
Do you have a go-to comfort food?
Absolutely. It's mac and cheese. Can't go wrong with it.
Do you have a favorite app on your phone?
Yes, Spotify is my go-to for music.
Do you have a favorite childhood game?
Definitely, it's hide and seek. Love the excitement.
Do you have a specific morning routine?
Yes, it involves a strong cup of coffee to kickstart the day.
Do you have any favorite quotes?
Yes, I have so many quotes.
Do you have a favorite type of dessert?
Absolutely, it's chocolate cake. Can't resist it.
Do you have a favorite childhood TV show?
SpongeBob SquarePants was a childhood favorite.
Do you have a dream vacation destination?
Bora Bora is the dream, crystal clear waters, you know?
Do you have a preferred season?
Yes, autumn. The colors and cool weather are perfect.